Okay, in this video, I'm going to walk through the process and how to find missing values in ratio tables. So the question is find the missing values in the ratio table, then write the equivalent ratio. So it's important to know that we're trying to find equivalent ratios. So we're comparing gnats to flies. So I think of ratios just like fractions. They are essentially fractions. So this first part, we know that there's 2 gnats for every 8 flies. And if we have 14 gnats, how many flies do we have? So we can make 2 equivalent fractions. So we have 2 over 8 equals 14 over x. Okay, now we can we notice that to get from 2 to 14, we're just multiplying by 7. So whatever we do to the top, we do to the bottom, and we take 8 times 7, and we get 56. So that means that 2/8 equals 14/56. And so that first blank, you would put 56 flies. Okay, now we're trying to figure out how many gnats 28 flies. Well, we can take a look at this one, and we can either use our 2/8 and compare, or we can use 14/56. I think it could be somewhat faster using 2/8. So we're going to write 2/8 equals blank over 28, because we were trying to find the number of gnats. Now, we can use a strategy called cross multiplication or cross products to solve for x, or the missing value. And how we do that is we take 2 times 28, which is 56, and we take 8 times x, which is 8x. Now, this is saying that 8 times something equals 56. Well, we need to figure out what x is, not 8x. So we divide both sides by 8. And 56 divided by 8 equals 7. So x equals 7. So our next box is 7. Now, for our last value, if we have 5 gnats, how many flies do we have? Well, we can use cross multiplication again. So for that last value, we have 2 gnats to 8 flies equals 5 gnats to x flies. So we're going to cross multiply 8 times 5, that equals 40. And 2 times x equals 2x. Then we ask ourselves, 2 times what equals 40? Well, the answer is 20. So the final spot for flies equals to 20. Thank you for taking time to watch this video on finding missing values in ratio tables.